Okay, today we're gonna make small bread rolls, but we're gonna make a different way. This time we're gonna put it inside instead of butter. We're gonna put avocado oil, or if you have olive oil, you can use either one of those two, and we're only gonna use flour. I put 3 cups of flour, salt, yeast, and warm water. So adding the salt first. That might be a lot. Mix it. Make a hole. And in the middle, put yeast. Okay. Then pour some water and mix a little bit middle first before you start going the full. Okay. And then now you start making the dough. Again, not too soft and not too hard. Now, at this point, just add the oil. The oil is gonna add more softness inside. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay. All right. So no more flowers. So now on top, I'm adding a tiny bit more oil. And this is the one that we let it sit for 40 minutes. And every, let's say, 15 minutes, you come back and mix it with the hands. And I'll show you that through the process. All right. Now take everything off your hand and you cover it and you let it sit for 40 minutes until it's done. All right. I'll see you later. I can't even shut it off. Wet the hand and then mix. And then you let it sit again. And then you do that every 15-20 minutes. See you later.